So today I am going to present you for the supply chain management with the help of Agentic AI, how to build a supply chain management system using Agentic AI, using Watsonx Agentic AI services. So I will quickly walk through the slides and then we'll give the live demo. Okay. So as you know, the supply chain management is the huge problem for last couple of decades, and there are a lot of solution has been proposed to solve this problem. But I think with the help of Agentic AI, we can automate lot of thing in the in the supply chain management cycle. Okay, so first of basic, what is supply chain management using Agentic AI? So there are multiple steps starting from the product, like product is generated to it is supplied to the end user. So and these intermediate steps can be automated with the help of AI, specifically these AI agents. So supply chain management, it involves planning, sourcing, production, inventory, logistics. So for each of the section, we will see that how we can build the AI agents and how it can automate the task. Okay, modern supply chain, there it is really complex and global and face frequent disruptions, making real-time decisions. So having this kind of agentic AI solution will surely help to solve these real-time problems. Okay, and this agentic AI solution, it introduced the automation and intelligence. So with the help of automation as well as the intelligence, and we can include the human in loop, so that wherever the AI is not able to make a decision. Okay, that is so in that situation, and definitely in supply chain management, everything cannot be automated. Human intelligence and human interventions will be surely required. So we will have the human in loop solution where agents will ask for the feedback or question if they have during their implementation. Okay, so in like our solution, what I am going to present, there are like objective is building a modular supply chain system using multi AI agents, specialized agent. Agents will be coordinating with each other. So we'll see like how the agents are coordinating with each other to complete the cycle. We are going to use IBM Watsonx Orchestrate for agent orchestration. Okay, and agent architecture wise, like we have controller agent, okay, forecast agent, inventory agent. So these are the couple of agents. Okay, if you see in the bottom, we have controller agent which controls the orchestration. So this is the main agent which controls different agents. Then forecast agent, it predicts the demand using profit ML model. Okay, inventory agent, it monitors the stocks level and trigger the restocking. If what is the stock for particular product, if it is going below threshold, then it will automatically trigger the restocking. So another agent can restock that particular product details or products. Procurement agent, it selects the suppliers, creates the purchase orders, it does the negotiation for different and identify which is the best supplier which should be selected for specific agents. Compliance agent, so this is also very important, that there are sort of a lot of compliance and policies which should be adhered during the procedure. So it validates the supplier certification, whether supplier is valid or not, its status. Okay, so and the last one is the logistic agents, it plans the deliveries and optimize the routes. So when the sometimes many times like product is ready to ship, but there is some delay in the logistics. But here, whenever there is a product is ready, status is updated, then logistic agent will automatically trigger delivery and plans to the particular team, so that the logistic team can immediately make the actions. So you will see that how this solution makes the difference. So end-to-end workflow will be like this. The first one is the forecast agent, it predicts the demand for next 4 weeks. Okay, step 2 is inventory agent that will stock levels against the forecast. So as per the forecast, it will keep maintain the stock of the products. Procurement agent, it generates the purchase orders for shortfalls. Compliance agent validates the supplier eligibility and it helps for various compliance related query for different suppliers. And logistic agent, it will schedule the delivery and with the optimized route on the time without making any delay. So technical implementation wise, we will be having the tools. We will build the different tools for each agent definition. We will build the agent definition with the help of YML, which contains all the details. And then we will integrate all the agents and tools with the help of Watsonx orchestrate, and we'll deploy it into the server. Okay, so let's go to the process. So now, so if you see, this is the lab guide for entire solution, so which can be followed. So you see, these are the agents we are going to implement here step by step. This is the directory structure of our entire projects. We will be having the agents, tools, knowledge base, for example policies, compliance policy for the suppliers. So all those knowledge base will be given here so that it can be used for training to the agents. Okay, so in requirement.txt we will give all the requirements that need to be fulfilled to run all the agents, and all the steps will be followed to get the final answer. Okay, so quickly I will show you the directory structure of our project. Okay, so let me show you. So this is our directory structure of WXO agents, where we have all the agents: compliance agent, controller agent, forecast agent, logistic agents, all the agents. Knowledge base, we have all the knowledge base information. Tools, we are building all the tools like inventory tools, forecast tool, logistic tools. Okay, so we are writing a code for that. Okay, and this is the terminal. If you see in the terminals, we run all the agents here to see the status of each agent, that what is the status of each agent, or what LLM has been used to generate the answer for the specific agent. We are going to use here Llama 3.2 a 90 billion vision model for generating the answer. So this model, what model we want to use, that we can configure in these, like whatever Llama model or Granite or OpenAI model, or whatever model we want to use, that we can configure in this. Okay, and we can see the summary here for all the agents that we have built. Okay, so now once the thing is, like, we configure all the models. Okay, and this code is integrated with my orchestrate Watsonx orchestrate API, so that whatever model I am building here, so once I run the script, okay, so all this information will be connected with my IBM Watsonx orchestrate online server, where I can see all the agents. So here if you see, I have all the agents that we have built on the local machine: compliance agent, controller agent, logistic agent. Okay, so we can go here. Okay, and thing is, like, once the agent is ready, then we have to deploy it here. So here, if you see here, deploy button, so once I click on the deploy button, so that particular model, particular agent will be deployed into the system. Okay, if you see the message, the logistic agent is deployed now. Okay, so now let's quickly test couple of questions and see that how this is helping. For example, I asked the question that verify the compliance of the supplier A with ESG norms. So it is asking a question: can you please provide me with the certification status, ESG adherence status, and blacklist status for the supplier A? Then once I provide the status value, then it will say, okay, the supplier A is certified and its status is approved, so we can do the deal with this particular supplier. Okay, so let's ask some more questions. For example, let me take a question from here. Okay, I want to know, we need to restock the based vendor. restock the best vendor. We need to restock this particular product and choose the best vendor for this. Okay, so I will forecast agent restock. So here I think we have to use the procurement logistic inventory agent. So let's see, controller agent, replenishment, inventory agent. Okay, let's ask the question. So here we are selecting each of the agent individually and asking a questions, but once this system is integrated into the supplyment system, so based on the question query, it will automatically identify that this query belongs to which agent, that will be managed by the controller agent, and it will give the answer. So when I say we need to restock this product and choose the best vendor. Okay, so it current stock reorder level is now 10 and the best vendor is just okay. So here can you give me the best, can you give me the best vendor for okay. So I think we have to give some more knowledge base for these all the products. So I have so in this knowledge base we have to give the, due to some confidentiality issue, maybe like these details for the vendors, and this is not, but we can provide the knowledge base and we can get all the details. So this way, like we can like ask the question for different agents, and we can immediately get the answer, and this thing can be automated into the system, into the supplyment system, so that things and like delivery, starting from the product manufacturing to end-to-end delivery to the user. So every step can be automated. For example, let me ask the forecast sales for these for the next month. I want to know based on this decision, I want to make what stock should I keep for this product. Okay, so so this really helps for decision making, like expediting the process. Okay, so let's see that what forecast does it give for the next month for this product. Okay. It is taking couple of seconds. Okay, so okay, forecast sales for this month, next month is this. Okay, for date and forecast value, confidential interval and confidential level. So this way we can get the forecast for each of the whatever product we want to do. So this is great solution for expediting the process in supply chain and improving the problem that we are facing, the late delivery, the waste of the product due to the like from food and fruits. So due to the delay in the delivery, we see that a lot of wastage. So multiple problem can be solved with automating this supplyment. So major benefits we have seen that it helps this kind of agentic AI solution. It can help to reduce the 25% reduction into the overstock, 80% drop in the stock outs, 30% reduction into the delivery delays, 20% decrease the manufacturing downtime, up to 20% reduction in the procurement task time. Okay, so we have seen that how we build the tools, how we integrated the agents with each other, how we deployed it, and the demo as well. So this way, like we can use the agentic AI for any solution. We can build the agent and we can deploy it to solve the real-time problems. Yeah, thank you.